Esta es la historia de un gallo que se levantaba a 10:30, 11 de la mañana.
You look like an angel, walk like an angel, talk like an angel, but I got one. You're the devil in disguise. You look like an angel, walk like an angel. Oh no!